In this video, I'll show you how to edit a page in Elementor on WordPress. Elementor is one of the easiest page builders that lets you design stunning pages without coding. First, make sure Elementor is installed and activated. Log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, click Add New, search for Elementor, then install and activate it. Now, to edit your site, go to Pages, choose the page you want and click Edit with Elementor. This will open the Elementor editor. On the left side, you'll see widgets like text, images, buttons and more. Simply drag and drop them into your page on the right. To edit an existing element, just click on it and adjust the settings in the panel. When you're happy with the changes, click Update at the bottom to save your page. You can also preview changes before publishing. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit with Elementor in WordPress. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.